Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The movie Din Tao, Leader of the Parade, brought local temple culture into the mainstream spotlight. In Miaoli's Nanzhuang Township, the Xiangfei Lion Drum Troupe embodies the same spirit shown in the film. The Xiangfei Lion Drum Troupe was formed in 1994. The group strives to liven up Nanzhuang's fairs and bring more attention to traditional Taiwanese folk arts.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。嘿，
怎么了？怎么了？
嘿。哎，对不起，
怎么了？
入魔
对，
连我自我介绍差点都要这样子了哦。没有啦，因为前几个月前看那个台湾的那个电影《顶桃》啊，就好看，真的太好看，到现在都还想再看，你知道？
对啊。
Because a couple of months ago there was a movie that was really hot in Taiwan, and I watched it a couple of times, and I still want to watch it again. It's actually 顶桃, the leader of the parade, and it's about this drum troupe here in Taiwan, that's associated with the temple culture in Taiwan, and they are just so energetic, 真的好有这个振奋的感觉。
好啦，看你那么振奋，那我就带你去南庄。
真的吗？
南庄它有一个叫做南庄上飛石鼓村，也可以念成是上比石鼓村。
So Leo wants to introduce me to a group. I guess it's very similar to the movie 顶桃 and it's actually in 南庄 which is in 苗栗 OK、那你说这个团叫做什么？
南庄上飛石鼓村。
南庄上飛石鼓村。
对，石鼓村就是狮鼓镇。
狮鼓镇这上飛是他们的名字，
对，
翔飞的狮鼓镇这样子。Okay, so this is actually called the Xiangfei Lion Drum Group, okay, and they are located in Nanzhuang in Miaoli County. 那请问这个团体啊，它大部分都是什么样的成员？而且他们成立多久了呢？
它是在民国83年时候成立的。
OK，
那这成立的时候呢，他们就希望要让这个学生啊有多一项这个课后的活动。然后呢，也可以让这个南庄乡的一些的庙会活动啊，能够更丰富啊。
对，
所以他们就这样的精神之下呢，成立了这个翔飞狮鼓镇。
So this group was actually established around 1994. A lot of young adults actually participated in these type of parades and groups, and because they're very energetic and whatnot. 再讲一次，这个古镇呢叫做什么呢？
翔飛石鼓村。
翔飛石鼓村。There you go. That's located in Nanzhuang in Miaoli County. And next time you go, I'm sure you're going to be amazed and energized by these young adults. And there you go. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.